Alright guys, so I'm gonna drive really fast and then I'm gonna crash, and then we're gonna give the car a crash test rating. If we die and this video doesn't get uploaded, then this gets 0 stars. I'm just kidding, but we're gonna go film some drive-by shots. We're gonna film drive-bys. We're gonna record the car flying by. Show you guys the exhaust that I put on the car. This is an inside view. I'm gonna give it some gas. That was like just up to third gear. I'm about to pull a Marcus Brownlee and we're not at all. What the hell? They're selling fans.
Where the fuck did you get sunglasses?